Practical number 4, we have to write Python program using functions. Part B, we have to write Python program to find sum of n natural numbers using recursion. Image shows addition of n natural number. In this case, n is 10. So 10 natural numbers are 1 to 10 and we are adding them to get the sum, which will be equivalent to 55. So we have to write a recursive function which will add these natural numbers and return the result. If n is 10, it will result 55. Let us understand this. We are writing a recursive function. Therefore, we write here a recursive function using keyword def. Name of the function recursive sum. It is taking one argument as a parameter n. It is checking whether n is less than equal to 1 and it is returning the value of n. This is terminating condition of recursion. If n value is 1 or less than 1, your recursion end. Else, the recursive part where we are returning n plus, again calling the function from its body and passing n minus 1. Let us understand how this function performs. Recursively addition of n natural numbers. Suppose n value is 3. So we are calling recursive sum with the argument 3. Function will be invoked, n value will be 3 because 3 was passed. It will check in the if condition whether 3 is less than equal to 1. Condition will fail. We will move to the else part where we will return n, which is in our case 3, plus RCUR sum of n minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Again, recursive sum function is called. At this point we are doing recursion, means calling the function from its body. So here for this function n value is 2. We check condition whether n is less than equal to, means 2 is less than equal to 1 or not. Condition fails. We move to the else block wherein we return what we return, n, which is 2, plus again calling the function RECUR recursive sum of n minus 1. If n was 2, recursive sum of 1 will be called. Here function is invoked from its body again, therefore recursion with n value received as 1. It will check whether 1 is less than equal to 1 or not. Condition satisfied. This is a recursive case. Therefore, we will return n, and in this case n is 1. From here, what is returned? 1 is returned. 1 will be returned from the point where the function was called. Here 1 is returned. 2 plus 1 will result in 3 and it will be returned to the previous call. So 3 is returned at this part. 3 plus 3, which is 6, will be returned from where the point where the function was called. So this 6 will be returned to the point where it was called. So it was called, recursive sum was 3. Here 6 will be returned. So addition was performed of 3 natural numbers, which was 3 plus 2 plus 1, returning a overall value of 6. Let's see the execution of this recursive program. We define a recursive sum function which is taking n. It is having one if case which is terminating condition of the recursion. If n is less than equal to 1, we will return the value of n. Else we will go in the recursion part where we are returning n plus recursive sum of n minus 1. If we run this function, function will be created. In the next cell, we are writing main. In the if, using dunder method, if name is equivalent to main, from this point program execution should start. We will ask the user to enter a number using input function. Here the function name should be input. We are asking the user to enter a positive number. User will enter a positive number that will be stored in num variable. If num is less than 0, we will ask the user to enter a positive number and program terminates. If the number is not less than 0, else part will be executed where we will print sum of number is and call recursive sum function with num variable. From this point, control will be transferred to the function where recursion will be performed. Sum of n natural numbers will be computed and value will be returned to the called point and directly printed on the user screen using print statement. Let's execute this cell. Click on the cell and run the cell. Suppose user enters a negative number, your program will print enter a positive number and program terminates. Again click on the cell, run the cell. If user enters 3, sum of 3 natural numbers, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 will result in value 6. Therefore you get at the output sum is 6. Suppose we run this program again and give the value 10 and we check whether the result is 55 or not. It is returning 55, means our program is running correctly and we have written a recursive function to find sum of natural numbers. That's it for this video.